It's easy to add objects like text, tables, illustrations, or sounds to a presentation, but you must always make sure you comply with the author's copyright and usage rights. To illustrate this clip, we are using PowerPoint 2010. You will notice that presentation programs differ from one another and that each one has its own particularities. The object integration principles are basically the same in all of them, however. PowerPoint is one of the most widely used computer-assisted presentation programs. When you are preparing a presentation, unless you're creating all the materials yourself, it is crucial to cite all the sources you use without exception, whether they are texts, tables, graphics, images, photos, illustrations, videos, or sounds. This is a fundamental principle of intellectual property. You can reuse all sorts of third-party materials depending on how it is licensed, but if you do not cite the source you use, you are plagiarizing. On the technical side, though, adding objects to a presentation is pretty simple and intuitive. For example, to insert a table, click on the appropriate button and follow the instructions to set the format of the table. In the Insert tab, you can also click on the Table button and select Excel Spreadsheet to link it to external data. Most presentation programs allow you to add different types of document formats. For Office Suite documents and other similar documents, the compatible formats are Word with the .docx extension, PowerPoint or .pptx, and Excel or .xlsx. Other file types, such as Portable Document Format or PDF, can also be added to a presentation. For pictures or charts, the compatible formats are .jpeg, .png, .bmp, .tiff, .gif, and a few others. For sound, the formats are .mp3 and 4, .wave, and a few other compatible formats. Finally, compatible video formats include .mpeg and .avi. To insert text into a presentation, just write the text in the existing text box on the slide or click on the Insert tab, find the text group, and click Text Box. Then place your cursor where you want to enter the text, left-click and hold down the button, and draw the size of text box you need. Let go of the button. Now you can write in the text box you drew. Of course, you can change the text box. For example, to change the size, grab one of the handles around the edge with your left mouse button and, holding it down, adjust the size as required. Now, let go. You can also use the commands in the various tabs of the ribbon. Click on the text box to select it, and then use the commands available to modify the text properties. For example, you can increase the size of the font, center the text, or add a shadow. To insert text from a word processing program, select the text, click on Copy, return to the presentation program, click Paste, and then make any required changes to the text box and the text itself. There you go. Now you know how to add objects to a presentation. Don't forget to pay close attention to copyright. Enjoy your work.